Apple has added a new payment option for the iPhone 12 series. It officially confirmed that the Apple this year is launching the new payment mode in the upcoming event. And here is a little teaser for you people. Jokes apart, I really don't recommend you guys selling your kidneys for a brand new iPhone, or in this case for any phone or a gadget. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max is an upcoming iPhone which is likely to be launched at a special event in September later this year. The 2020 iPhone series may consist of 3 phones: iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So in this video we will go through the price, launch date and some of the rumored specifications about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Watch the video till the end if you guys want to know more about this phone in detail. The intro already took a lot of time, so let's get started right away. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max sports a 6.67-inch OLED display having a screen resolution of 1242 x 2688 pixels and a refresh rate of 120Hz. There is no bezels or notch, hence users get a flawless visual every time. Additionally, there is a Gorilla Glass screen protection that keeps you from selling your other kidney if you accidentally drop it. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max is geared up with an A14 chipset which features 2.65 GHz dual-core Lightning and a 1.8 GHz quad-core Thunder processor. It provides efficient overall performance without signal lag thanks to the large 6GB of RAM. The Apple GPU 4-core graphic shares the weight of the processor. If you guys want to see more tech videos like these, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel as it will motivate me to post content more often. Apple's iPhone 12 series is set to run iOS 14. We don't know about it officially yet. Rumors suggest there will be a new through-depth camera system that cuts down size of the notch on the front. Though not all iPhones may feature a smaller notch, and there are rumors of a 3D triple lens rear camera system that uses a laser technology to calculate depth information for objects in the room, improving both photography and AR capabilities. The triple lens setup at the back would likely consist of a wide-angle lens, ultra-wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. For selfies, the handset is likely to offer a 12-megapixel camera at the front, although the battery capacity is still unknown about the upcoming device. The A14 chip is expected to bring both speed and efficiency improvements that could bring small gains in the battery life to compensate for the 5G, which uses additional battery. The phone has an 18-watt fast charging, QI wireless charger and reversible USB connector. As for the color options, Apple iPhone 12 smartphone series may come in gold, silver, space grey colors. The price of the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max is likely to be around Rs 1,20,000 for the base variant, which has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. There is a 90% chance that this iPhone will be released in the upcoming event, which most probably will be on September 8 or 9. I will try to make a video as soon as I get more information about the device. That's it guys, we have now reached the end of today's video. Comment down below if you want to know more about a particular phone or a gadget. Drop a like and check out my other videos if you want to. A sub to this channel will really be appreciated. Until next video, this is Hari from Let's Review signing off. Stay tuned, stay safe.
But that's alright. Hush.